Hello children, welcome to our English grammar class. Children, today we'll learn question tag because you already used with the question tag, because in your previous class you may attempted the question related to the question tag, and we also seen during the time of a sentence I taught you WH question, right? A question which start from WH, whereas yes or no question, and these question tag is another kind of a question tag. And children, this I want to inform you that I observed while correcting your grammar notes that many of the children has copied what you have previous year attempted. It should not be done, because last year you have written, that is a practice, right? This year I am giving you few exercise questions that you have to answer and you have to write. Because why I am telling this, because I have seen all the last year question which already answered that you have copied in your grammar notes, children. That should not be done. This year what I am teaching, along with that question, example, definition, explanation you have to write and you have to practice it. Clear? So let's move on. Question tag. Open your grammar notes and take down the definition. Question tag. Below the question tag, write down. We often use question tag when we expect the listener to agree with our statement. Full stop. I will repeat once again. We often use question tag when we expect listener to agree with our statement. Full stop. See, stop writing, children. Question tag in the sense, when we raise the question or when we give the statement, right? Listen carefully. When we give the statement, then when we are giving a statement, we are expecting what answer should be. Suppose if I asked you that had your lunch, then what you may answer, either yes or no, right? Yes or no, you will answer only yes or no. So when I am asking question that had your lunch, then I may not know that whether you had or you hadn't, right? So answer was unknown to me, right? That is a yes or no question. Whereas when question tag is arised, when question tag is given, where statement is given, when I am telling a statement, when I am giving a statement, at the same time I was knowing the answer. I know what answer you are giving. In that form we frame the question tag. Is it clear? And that is what the sentence say. When we expect the listener, so you are the listener now, and to give our statement, so you have to accept that what I am telling, it is correct. In that manner I gave my statement. Is it clear? So write down with example, it will be so clear to you. And question tag is very easy, children. It will carry 1 mark question. Very easily you can attempt it. So don't leave the question when it comes on a question tag. Very easy question. Okay. Continue writing. In this case, when the statement is positive, listen carefully. In this case, when a statement is positive, we use negative question tag. In this case, when the statement is positive, we use a negative question tag. Is it clear? When statement is positive, children, when statement is positive, question tag is negative. Vice versa, in the sense, when statement is negative, question tag is positive. So it is a clue here. Write down if you want. Positive statement, negative tag. Clear? And negative statement, positive tag. Is it clear? Is it clear? This is a question tag. One clue you have to remember. Okay. Now just take a question paper. Take an example. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Clear? This apostrophe is stand as is. Clear? So listen here children, she is a doctor, right? This is a positive statement. Positive statement in the sense sentence. So this is a positive sentence. She is a doctor, and what could be a tag? What could be a tag? So your tag should come in a negative form. So this is become isn't she? Question mark. So see, she is a doctor. That statement I'll give. And what answer I am expecting in written? In written, no, avalu doctor. Then the answer comes avalu doctor allave. Negative. So it means that what? Avalu doctor allave in the sense, yes, she is a doctor. Answer is this. For this question, this is the answer. Avalu doctor allave, somebody asked, then what is the answer, children? She is a doctor. So when this statement is in a positive form, our question tag should come in a negative. Question tag means what? A statement should come in form of a question. Right? So remember that when statement is in a positive, your tag, question tag should come in a negative. And remember here, you should remember here that this question tag should always comes with the question mark. Suppose if anywhere you forget the question mark, then it becomes a wrong. Clear? Because you are framing a question tag. So don't forget to use this symbol, question mark. Okay? See, she is a doctor, and these verb, always these helping verb will become to negative verb. Is it clear? She is a doctor. Then simply how to frame this is become isn't here is in. So is not, this is a form. Clear? So always these helping verb will turn into negative form in a question tag. Okay? Then next one, next example, try. See, it is a cold. It is a cold. What could be the answer? Isn't it enough? There is not. Or isn't it cold also you can write, or question tag always as very short, so we will fill up with verb and subject. So isn't, this is will become here negative, isn't it? Clear? Is it clear? Okay, let's try one. And below, after this example, write down. See, below what you have written. See, in case of, see, check what you have written. In this case, when the statement is positive, we use a negative question tag, right? And below that you have taken this example, she is a doctor, isn't she? Then, second example, it is a cold, isn't it? Then below that write down, if the statement is negative, we use, this is what I am written. If the statement is negative, we use a positive question tag. If a statement is negative, we use a positive question tag. Okay? Write down example. Write down next example. See, I will write here only so that you can get clear with what is positive and negative. Okay? Next example. He isn't here. He isn't here. So, what could be your answer? This is a negative statement, right children? This is a negative statement. So, what it should be is he. Enough. That is a question tag. See, this is a negative question. So, your answer, this isn't will become is he. And this is a positive tag. Clear? This is a positive statement, negative tag, negative statement, positive tag. This is simple. Question tag is as simple as you try. Okay? Then children, next clue write down. If the main verb, auxiliary verb in the statement, if the main verb or auxiliary verb in the statement is am, the positive question tag is am I? Question mark. See, I will repeat once again. If the main verb or auxiliary verb, if the main verb or auxiliary verb in the statement is am, this am, am, the positive question tag is am I. Then the positive question tag is am I. Okay? Continue. But the negative question tag is usually aren't I. But the negative question tag is usually aren't I. In the sense, see, I write here. See, suppose in the statement, if you have found helping verb, okay, then see, this is a helping verb, right children? Am is a helping verb in a positive sentence, in a positive statement, okay? Then your question, positive question tag should come as am I. Okay? If it is you want to make it in a negative tag, then it will come as aren't I. Aren't. Clear? Is it clear? Aren't I. See, this you write down below the definition what you have written. See, if in the sentence positive statement, if you have noticed, though okay, not a positive statement, take it as a statement. If in a sentence carry as a am. Sentence, okay? Listen carefully. In the sentence, suppose if you have noticed am, the helping verb, this is a helping verb, right? Helping verb, this is the am. Then your question tag, if you are making a question tag in a positive form, then you have to use it as, instead of am, it will come as a am I. Okay? In case in your statement am is used, which is in a positive statement, then a question tag usually, obviously it will come as a negative, but when am is there, then it will become aren't I and a negative tag. Clear? Is it clear, children? That is what the difference you have to notice when you are sentence with the helping or a auxiliary verb. Okay? Okay? See example. For this example one you take down. Have you took this one, children? I hope you have written this one. After writing this, below one example you take down. Okay? That one is fourth example. See, this is very easy, children. I am telling question tag is very easy. What you have to do is that you have to practice the changes. Okay? Okay, now next fourth example is am. Am in the sense, this one you know. I am, like I am. Okay, short form it has to be written like this. I'm in charge of the food. This is a positive statement with helping verb. Right, children? Right? Then what could be your negative tag? As I told, your negative tag is aren't I. This is your tag. Okay? Is it clear? This is a helping word with positive sentence with auxiliary or the helping verb. So as I have given the clue, your tag should be aren't. So when am always followed as a aren't I. Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now let's work out. Now let's work out few of the example which related to the question tag. Is this example is written, children? See what example I am giving, children, that you have to write it. Okay, whatever you have written in the previous notes, previous year, okay, accepted, but along with that it also there. It should be added in your grammar notes. Clear? Grammar notes separately I won't send you. What I will teach you in the class, that you have to observe and you have to write in the notes, because I am going so slowly and even I am dictating the definition, explanation so slowly, so that you have to catch it the point. Is it clear, children? I hope you are following my clues and instruction. Okay. Now heading you write down, children. Heading you write down positive sentence with negative tag. Positive sentence with negative tag. Heading you have given. Few of the example we will work out here. Okay. Okay. After that, make a column. Okay. You made a column, and this is a example as well as a homework for you. Correct? Answer I won't give in the class. Few of the answer I will give, and remaining you have to do by yourself for your practice. Okay? After, see, you now what you have to do, you have to write down the heading like positive sentence with negative tag. Remember that all the statement now I am giving in a positive statement, and you have to make it as a negative tag. Okay? I will write down heading also. I will write, suppose if you get the confusion. Positive sentence statement with negative tag. Okay. After this heading, make a 2 column, children, and first example is that which is in a present present simple tense. Present simple tense. Okay. She is Indian. She is Indian. Okay, this is the first question. She is a Indian. And answer. Okay, that you have to do here. Question mark. This is a homework. Okay, see the sentence in a present simple tense. Okay, children, and she is a Indian. Answer you have to write. Okay, then the next one is again present simple tense. Present simple tense with other verb in the sense like your auxiliary verb or any other kind of a verb. Okay. See, they live in London. Okay, they live in London. Here, children, live is a other verb, right? Is it clear, children? See, they live in a London. See, it is simple that suppose she is an Indian. So here is there. This is positive will make into negative and you will frame the question type. Whereas this verb, which is a other verb, which is not a helping verb, this is a helping verb, right, children? Here leave is a independent verb where there is no helping verb. Then how you will make a question tag? How you will make a question tag? So your answer like, see, they live in a London and your answer is don't they. Don't they. This is your answer. See, they live in a London. Don't they in the sense avaru vasavagillave. In that meaning it will come. Is it clear? See, they live in a London. Don't they live in a London? So this is a tag. Is it clear? So live, which is an independent verb, and don't is a tag which is used for the direct verb. Is it clear? And third one, see children, don't worry, we will practice few of the example. When we practice it, it will become easier to understand and will become a perfect. Okay? Don't worry, now we are in a 4 or 5 sentence, we will work out. Then the next one is, third one is, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense and we are working tomorrow. So, what would be a tag here, children? Here are is there, then answer are. This are will become aren't we. Question tag. Okay. Then next, fourth example. Below third one only write down. Past simple tense. Past simple tense. was Italian. She was Italian. And what could be the tag answer? That you have to do. Okay. The next fifth one is past simple tense. Past simple tense with other verb it was he went to the party. He went to the party last night. So here went is there, right? Went is a verb. So what could be your tag? Didn't he? Here, so went, which is a direct verb, for that your question tag which should come in a negative form, that is a didn't he. Here, observe here past, present, simple tense with other verb leave. For a leave here we used don't as a negative tense, and here past simple tense with other verb where we used went, for that we used did. Okay children, here 2 or 3 example I had given for your as a homework, simple homework. This answer tomorrow I will give you. You have to write the answer in pencil and you have to try whether it is a right or wrong, and when I give the answer you correct it is correct or wrong. And as I made you your column, make a column and do it. It is for your practice and compulsory question on your every question paper. So don't leave the question tag questions. This is very easy children, and practice thoroughly, read the definition what I had given and just glance whatever example I had given, and in the tomorrow's class I will continue the remaining example children. Till then, take care.